Make the ground shake.
Hello, I'm Yatharth, and the app that Nitish and I have created is called Readability. It's an app to help people with reading disabilities and to help enable them to actually read text. The app works by letting the user take a picture of whatever text they want to read, and then based upon the text that is present in the picture, the app speaks it out for you. We recognize the need for such an app, which would help in enabling people with such disabilities to do more in their day-to-day life. And also, we made this to bridge the gap people with reading disabilities face in their everyday life. We divided the work for this app into two parts mainly, which was image to text and text to speech, wherein Nitish did the first part, and he also figured the setting of the camera and saving the image file part. And I did the text to speech part, wherein I added functionality such as changing the pitch and changing the speed, etc. The UI for the app was figured out by both of us together. And next up, we have the demo.
This is Nitish, and I'll be giving you a demo of our app. So the color scheme of our app is blue because blue is a really soothing color. Also, the buttons that we've used in our app have icons rather than text to make it easier for people with reading disabilities to use our app. The button on the bottom helps us take a picture, and the buttons on either sides helps control the volume. The seek bars in the middle helps control the speed and pitch of the audio. So let me show you the demo of our app. So I take the picture, select it, and play the
Farewell
audio.
CS125. Part of the journey is the end.
I can also change the speed.
Farewell CS125. Part of the journey is the end.
As well as the speed.
Farewell CS125. Part of the journey is the end.
So there you go, that's our app. To our code now. For our project, we use two libraries. One to extract the text from the image, and another to convert the text to speech. So when we take the picture using the camera, we first save it in a file locally. We then transfer this picture to our main activity where it's displayed on an image view. We then extract the text from this image and display it in a text view. When the audio button is pressed, based on the pitch and speed selected, the text in the text box is read out. When the mute button is pressed, stop audio is called and the audio stops.
Lastly, a technical problem that we might have faced when figuring out the functionality of the app would be to understand where the image file is being saved so that we can access it to actually convert it to text. And the problem there we found was that the image that was being saved was in a different format than what we wanted to convert to text, and we had to use the bitmap function to make sure that error is resolved. Moreover, some ideas for future work for the app could be one of them could be allowing users to crop the image before processing it, so that they can actually decide what part of the image they want to actually convert to text or what part of the text they want to actually read. Secondly, we could allow for different handwriting styles to also be included in the image to text area, so that written text can also be converted to speakable content. So this is our app, Readability. Thank you for listening.